50.
50.
50.
Im Schwimmbad.
In the swimming pool.
In the swimming pool.
Heute ist es heiß.
It is hot today.
It is hot today.
Gehen wir ins Schwimmbad?
Shall we go to the swimming pool?
Shall we go to the swimming pool?
Hast du Lust, schwimmen zu gehen?
Do you feel like swimming?
Do you feel like swimming?
Hast du ein Handtuch?
Do you have a towel?
Do you have a towel?
Hast du eine Badehose?
Do you have swimming trunks?
Do you have swimming trunks?
Hast du einen Badeanzug?
Do you have a bathing suit?
Do you have a bathing suit?
Kannst du schwimmen?
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Kannst du tauchen?
Can you dive?
Can you dive?
Kannst du ins Wasser springen?
Can you jump in the water?
Can you jump in the water?
Wo ist die Dusche?
Where is the shower?
Where is the shower?
Wo ist die Umkleidekabine?
Where is the changing room?
Where is the changing room?
Wo ist die Schwimmbrille?
Where are the swimming goggles?
Where are the swimming goggles?
Ist das Wasser tief?
Is the water deep?
Is the water deep?
Ist das Wasser sauber?
Is the water clean?
Is the water clean?
Ist das Wasser warm?
Is the water warm?
Is the water warm?
Ich friere.
I am freezing.
I am freezing.
Das Wasser ist zu kalt.
The water is too cold.
The water is too cold.
Ich gehe jetzt aus dem Wasser.
I'm getting out of the water now.
I am getting out of the water now.